Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to talk about the sequential trigger. When you first create it, it looks like this, and when you click it, nothing seems to really happen too much. One of the first things you need to do is to create some output. I'm going to create 5. Be careful here, because if you type in 100, I think it will create 100 outputs, which could make your machine jump a little bit. And yeah, just need to be careful with that. So sequential obviously means sequentially it will trigger things in order. So using the trigger in, it will trigger 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then go back to the beginning. At any point, you can reset it and it will go back. This is really useful for things like if you want to trigger a value. So say I want to trigger a value of 0, then I want to trigger a value of 5. I'll copy and paste these, and maybe 17. I'm just making this up, of course. 30. And then maybe for the last one, I want it to be 100. So there could be a reason for this. I don't know. It could be a specific value of an effect that you want to change. I really don't know. And I'm going to use a keyboard watcher. I've mentioned this in a previous tutorial, but open apostrophe, letter G. And I'm going to connect that to the trigger in. So now when I press G on my keyboard, it's going to trigger these values and keep on going through them in a loop. Okay. You could connect this to some type of effect if you wanted to. So the desaturate of a video. So this will go through a bit of a pattern. I'm going to bring my video back in. Just need to tidy up my screen a little bit here. Bring everything down. So just for the purpose of demonstration, now when I press G on my keyboard, it's going to change the desaturation of this video, cycling through 0, 5, 17, 30 and 100, which I could maybe do to the beat of a music or something like that. But anyway, that's how you use sequential trigger, and a little bit of a demonstration about how you can use that creatively.